A case in a Crown Court in England where a decent woman is charged with having unlawful sex with an underage male.
So you deny having sexual intercourse with boy A?
An exchange between her and an unscrupulous prosecutor. She may be quite modern, but with something of a Victorian air about her.
Should the question not be whether boy A had intercourse with me? Does the law not believe that intercourse is instigated by the male?
He may sound very learned, overconfident in the merits of his profession. The law is neutral to gender and orientation, as I'm sure you are aware.
Then perhaps we had better have a closer look at the law. I believe you are accusing me under Section 9 of the Sexual Offences Act, 2003. Will you quote it? Or perhaps sniggering? Try reading it. Or do you want me to?
Referring to the statute. A person aged 18 or over, A, commits an offence if he or she intentionally touches another person, B, the touching is sexual, and B is under 16, where that touching involves penetration of A's anus or vagina with a part of B's body.
Yes, I think that should do us. Now, perhaps you could explain how a woman might intentionally touch her vagina with a man's or a boy's penis. I think the circumstances are rather limited, are they not?
Oh, well, it's not impossible for a woman to want sex, and so there is intentional touching involved. Really, Lady Hawthorn, where is all this pedantry leading?
And supposing we grant you that a woman may desire sex, Mr. Prosecutor, the only person who can intend to touch anything with his male member is the owner of it. Or do we need to consult a dictionary for intend and touch?
Well, but if she is lying with the penis inside her, there is touching which she may well intend to allow to continue?
Sighing. She cannot intend. Well, oh dear, and one so expects someone in your profession to have good English. As I said before, a woman might desire sex. She may lie on a bed and intend to wait for a man to perform the act. She cannot intend what anyone else does with any part of their body, whatever she might like them to do with it. She may intend to continue to lie in contact with someone, but she cannot intend to touch that person where they are already touching. Might you now understand the meaning of the woman taking the passive role?
But the female on top is not unknown.
Really, Mr. Prosecutor, you are really going beyond bounds, certainly in this case.